In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching and crashing. So first, open Steam. Here, go to library and go to your game. So I'll show this as an example for this game. Follow same steps for Battlefield. So right click on Battlefield, properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of game files. So once you have this done, go to browse, and then here's the game folder, and yours will say something like battlefield.exe. So right click and then properties and then compatibility, and then disable full screen optimization, and then click apply, and then run this program as administrator, and then click apply, and then OK. So once you have this done, you can close this down. Now also I recommend going to Steam and then settings and then downloads and then clearing the cache. So make sure you clear the cache. And lastly, you want to check if it's the display adapters that's causing this. So you can just go to this device manager and then display adapters. Make sure your graphics cards drivers are up to date. So you can update them by clicking here, then selecting the latest one and then clicking next to update. And once you have this done, you want to check if there's any processes running in the background or softwares or apps. You don't want too many games running at the same time, so make sure you end task. Make sure you disable them here, and that should fix it.